This video will show you how to use the To Review feature in Google Classroom.
In the past, when you wanted to check the assignments in your Google Classroom, you would have to click on the Google Classroom, go to the Classwork tab, and you would have to pick each assignment individually to see how many were turned in and how many were still assigned and how many had been graded. So in this example, this assignment is turned in by one student and it is still assigned to two students in this Google Classroom. If I look at another assignment, it says it is still assigned to two students and one of it has been returned as graded. So if you were looking to check the status of the different assignments in your Google Classroom in the past, you had to individually click into each Google Classroom and check each assignment. When you're using the To Review feature, if you click on To Review in your Google Classroom dashboard, it brings you to a screen where you can see all the assignments that are listed in each and every one of your Google Classrooms. So as you scroll down, you see every assignment in all the different Google Classrooms that you are a teacher in. If you do not want to see all your classes, but you want to look at one specific class, you can use the drop-down filter menu and you can go to the class that you're looking at. And in this individual class, I have three assignments, and you can see that this assignment is assigned to three students. Nothing is turned in and nothing has been graded yet. In this one, two of them are still assigned, one is turned in. And in this one, two are still assigned and one has been graded. So this quickly gives you an overview of the status of the assignments in this particular classroom. If you wanted to grade this assignment, you can just click on it and it takes you into your Google Classroom and you can go ahead and grade this assignment and return it to the student. And then when you go back to your To Review, it shows you that you now have that assignment graded and returned also over here. If you have a Google Classroom where all the assignments have been graded, you can then mark it as reviewed. For example, if I look at this assignment in the computer literacy class, it was assigned to 48 students. All of them have done it and it has been graded. I don't need to look at this assignment anymore. So I can go ahead and click the three dots and say mark as reviewed. And what it does is it puts it in this different tab called reviewed. Another advantage of this feature is if you are a co-teacher in a Google Classroom where you do not have to grade the work, then you can look at the list of assignments. And for example, this is a Google Classroom that I'm a teacher of. I do not need to grade this assigned topic. So I can go in and click as mark as reviewed. And it takes it away from my to review list. If I go under reviewed, it shows me the assignments that I have already reviewed. In case I needed to bring this back to the to review tab, I can click on the three dots and click mark as not reviewed, and it's going to bring it back over here for me to look at, review it, and then mark as reviewed when I'm done. So this particular feature helps you figure out how many assignments you have in each Google Classroom because it gives you the classroom name, it gives you the assignment name, and you can know how many are still assigned, how many are turned in, and how many are graded.
And that's it. Check out the other videos for more information and helpful tips.